Alright, sweep picking. So the muting, you are going to primarily mute the A string on this, not so much the B and E string. So I got the distortion on. Hopefully that will make the palm mutes versus non-muted notes very obvious. So here we go with the C shape. Then the B diminished. And last, the A minor. To the clean. Alright, picking pattern of, let's see, was it down, 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 up, and then alternate picking down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Missing the string there. Alright, here we go. With the E minor, A minor 11, G, E minor, F6 sus2, G sus4. Here we go. Okay, next one. Okay, here we go. I really need to cut my nails. They are getting in the way today. Okay, last one. Alright, that covers everything. Let me know if you got any questions, Good luck with your sweep picking. Oh yes, speaking of sweep picking, so the goal was, alright, try it this way. So do eighth notes, get the eighth notes up to 240 beats per minute, take it back down to 60 beats per minute, work on 16th notes. So remember, when you're doing the 16th notes, it'll seem kind of weird at first. It's definitely doable, but you're going to have to go through 2 repetitions of the pattern in order to start on a downbeat again. So if I count out the whole thing, you have like a 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and 1E and 2. That's if I was doing a 4/4 time signature. So, I wonder what it would be if it was did 3, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3. No, that wouldn't work either. 1, 2, 3, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a... It would be a 5/4 time signature. You'd have 5 beats before it starts over again on beat 1. So 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 1. So that's how that would go for 16th notes. If, 240 with 16th notes is pretty fast. Let me see how that sounds. Yeah, that's this is going to be faster than most people could ever play. Because yeah, I would have a hard time playing it this fast right now. I would need to practice, especially playing 4 notes a beat with this. So let's say you get up to, let's see. I clearly didn't have this talk planned. Let's see, 120. What does this sound like? Is not too bad. Let's say get the 16th notes up to 100 beats per minute, and then you can start back over at 60. The cat's going crazy right now. I don't know what has gotten into him. Okay, so get the 16th notes to 100 beats per minute, and then come back down to 60 and do the 5 notes per beat. So this way you're starting on a click down here, and then when you get to the highest note in the pattern, that'll be on a downbeat as well. That'll be on the click. So it would be so the hammer-on note, that's going to sound when the beat goes. So I think that progression will work okay, so it's not too overwhelming speed-wise. I will put this in the email. You're going to read this before you see me say it. Eighth notes, get that up to... Get the eighth notes up to 240. That's a doable thing. Then work on 16th notes, only up to 100. Only up to 100. Then you can start working on the 5 notes a beat after you get 16th notes at 100 beats per minute. And that's if you Well, you will get the eighth note pattern up to 240 eventually. Don't be surprised if you don't get it within 1 week. The 5-string arpeggios, the sweep arpeggios, are very challenging. Very challenging. Okay, I will see you next week.